Hello folks, it's Mikel Lawson here at Stark the Beltline. Hopefully you're having a terrific day. Today we have on display a 2018 Honda HR-V. Honda HR-V is going to be a crossover between a Honda Fit and Honda CR-V meshed together. The reason why it's so brilliant and so awesome by Honda, I mean the versatility is amazing. Okay, you talk about moving, talk about life happening. Well, you have that versatility to go vertical. You see how flat it is over there? It's amazingly flat, but you also have things that stand up. So, I mean, if you have a lifestyle that changes a lot, you're prepared for moving and stuff like that. Not to mention, you do have a great trunk area as well. Like I said before, it goes down pretty flat, and all it does is release right here. Look at that, amazingly flat. So, bigger things that also does come standard with the backup camera, Bluetooth, really good fuel efficiency for a crossover SUV, and the key ingredient for people in Wisconsin, guess what folks, all-wheel drive. You're gonna be needing that. I know it's not snowing today, but you never know when it will snow. So when you're at that stage and you're ready to come out for a test drive, give me a call here, 608-225-0657. Again, Mikel Lawson here at Stark the Beltline. Thank you for your time, look forward to talking to you soon.